Welcome back everybody, and today we're going to be reviewing my brand new tram scooter. Thanks to winters, I thought it would be a great opportunity to get it. Right off the bat though, the grips feel super plasticky. I thought it would be a little bit better quality grips for $90, but it's alright. The deck is what scares me the most though. It is super light and bendy considering it's foam too. I don't know how my hopes are going to feel about this, but it feels alright. Considering it's not metal and the whole purpose of it is to be light, especially with these bars. I'm pretty sure they're titanium because they are extremely light. And for a headset or a bottom cap, this is about what they have. The bars aren't all that wide, which is a bit disappointing, but besides that, I guess we'll assemble it. So having set it up, it was much harder than I thought because the stupid little screws kept stripping, but in the end I did get it. Now all you gotta do is go test it. I don't know if I need to get used to this or it's just generally way too light. That's crazy. I probably couldn't, never mind. Get my bri flips down. Bri flip flat and inward flat is my next goal for the winter because I recently made a new series where I'm trying to get it flat, so see how long that takes. Light. Almost too light. Oh yeah. Oh man. Oh my goodness. Look what I've done. Alright, if I'm gonna rate this out of 10, I will say 9.5 out of 10. The little half is because the deck, but besides that, if you want to get yourself a scooter, especially me because I'm trying to get bri flip flat, it is so light you can just throw it around. You can throw it around like a plastic bag basically. All the brands I found on Google, this is the one that you're gonna want to get. It's light. The bars are extremely light. It's easy to install. You don't really need to have any special tools to unscrew all these things. Pretty much a scooter with a foam deck. This is definitely going to help you increase your skill by a lot.